Good morning, students. Today we will start with the second formula of coordinate geometry. Today we'll discuss with this section formula. Section formula is a point A and B. Coordinates are x1 and y1, x2 and y2 are divided by a point P in certain ratio, let's say m ratio n. Then what will be the coordinate of P? So the coordinate of P will be equal to, it's like this, m into x2 plus n into x1 upon m plus n, comma, m into y2 plus n into y1 upon n plus. So this is how we will able to find these 2 points. And if this is a midpoint, if P is midpoint of AB, then also we can use the same formula, section formula. But to make it easy, as it is a midpoint, the ratio is 1:1, so it will be x2 plus x1 1 plus 1 in place of m and n, 1 2 y2 plus y1 1 plus 1 2. But for any reason if you forget that, so you can use the previous one section formula also. So out now, if you see, we have 1 2 3 and 4 things in this question. Always 3 things will be given to you and the fourth you have to find. It might be the value of P, means xy, or a ratio, or A or B, whatever. The formula is same. So let's do one sum and try to understand the concept. The first question is, find the coordinate of a line segment AB whose points are 4 and 2, 4 and 2, and B is minus 6 and 3. It is divided by P into 2:3. Find the value of P. So using section formula, first of all we have to write always the formula m into x2 plus n into x1 upon m plus n, comma, m into y2 plus n into y1 upon m plus n. So this is 2 into minus 6 pxy, coordinate of this. 2 into minus 6 plus 3 into 4 y 2 plus 3, comma, 2 into 3 plus 3 into 2 plus 2 plus 3. So this is minus 12 plus 12 by 5, comma, and this will be 12 plus 5. So the coordinates are 0 and 12 by 5. This is the answer of this question. Now the second question is where we have to find the ratio now. Find in which ratio a line segment joining the points minus 8 and 10, and 6 and minus 8 is divided by minus 1 and 6. Find the ratio. In coordinate geometry, one thing you have to remember, that always draw the line, always draw the figure. And if you draw the figure and write the formula, there's no chance that you will not get the right answer. So please, everyone is requested to draw the line and to write the formula, right? If you draw the line, you will able to understand what to do. If you write the formula, then there is no need to remember. Automatically after doing 10 sums you will remember the formulas. Minus 6 and 2, let the ratio be k ratio 1. We normally take k ratio 1. We can even take m ratio n. There's nothing wrong in this. So when we take the ratio, formula is m into x2 plus n into x1 upon m plus n, comma m into y2 plus n into y1 upon m plus n. This is the coordinate of pxy. M is k into 6 plus 1 into minus 8 upon k plus 1, comma k into minus 8 plus 1 into 10 upon k plus 1. So this will be 6k minus 8 upon k plus 1, comma this is minus 8k plus 10 upon k plus 1. This value represent x and this value represent y. Now let's go to the question. Value of x and y is given. X is minus 1. So we'll write 6k minus 8 upon k plus 1 is equal to minus 1. 6k minus 8 is equal to minus k minus 1. Right? So it will be it will be 7k is equal to 7. 7k is equal to 7, so k is equal to 1. So that means the ratio is 1 ratio 1. So we, with one side it's okay. If you want to do, you can do, but there is no need to solve from the other side. Minus take k upon k plus 1 is equal to 6. So minus 8k plus 10 is equal to 6k plus 6. So I have to check. It was 3, basically 3. So it was 3, 3, 3, 3. So it was 3, 3, 3. It was 3. So it was 7k is equal to 2. K was equal to 2 by 7. So 2 ratio 7. Right? Question number 3. Question number 3 is, in what ratio a line segment joining -2 and -3 and 5 and 6 divided by x-axis. 1, 2 is y-axis. So basically these are two questions. In first he says this is -2, -3 and 5 and 6. AB is divided by P and y-axis, x-axis. when we do x-axis, when we do x-axis, then x has some value, y will be 0. So ratio will be k ratio 1. So using that k ratio 1, we will write 5k minus 2 upon k plus 1, comma 6k minus 3 upon k plus 1. So with x we cannot find, so according to question, so 6k minus 3 upon k plus 1 is equal to 0, 6k minus 3 is equal to 0, 6k is equal to 3, k is equal to 3 by 6, 1 by 2, 1 ratio. Second part of question is for this only. This is minus 2 and minus 3, and this is 5 and 6. Now it is at y-axis. Y-axis, x will be 0 and y has some value. So it is 5k minus 2 and k plus 1, comma 6k minus 3 upon k plus 1. This is x and this is y. Y does not have any value, so 5k minus 2 upon k plus 1 is equal to 0, 5k minus 2 is equal to 0, k is equal to 2 by 5, 2 ratio 5. So both the answers are right and both have a different answer. In this question, if we say that find the value of x also, how to find x? So this was the value of x. So we'll write 5k minus 2 according to question, k plus 1 is equal to this x. Now we have k is 1 by 2, 5 into 1 by 2 minus 2, 1 by 2 plus 1 is equal to x. So it will be 5 by 2 minus 2 upon 1 by 2 minus 2 is equal to x. So 2 is LCM, 5 minus 4 upon again 2 is LCM, 1 minus 4 is equal to x. This 2 is cancelled. This is 1 by minus 3 is the value of x. Same way we can find the value of y. Next question is, in next question, find the coordinate of a point. Find the coordinate of a point whose diameter is given. Diameter is AB, O is the center, and the value of center is 2 and minus 3, and this is 1 and 4. Find the value of A at one end. So it's very simple. AB is a diameter and O is center of circle. So that means O is midpoint of AB. Formula for midpoint is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. x1 is how much? And you can take any, and this is x plus 1 by 2, comma y plus 4 by 2. This represent x and this represent x, y. X plus 1 by 2 is equal to 2, comma y plus 4 by 2 is equal to minus 3. So x plus 1 is equal to 4, x is equal to 3, y plus 4 is equal to minus 6, and y is equal to minus 10. So the coordinate of A will be 3 and minus 10. This is our answer. Another question in this segment is, find the coordinate of a point. Find the coordinate of points of trisection of line segment joining 4 and minus 1 and minus 2 and minus 0. So very simple now. Trisection. Trisection means the points are dividing the line into 3 equal parts. So first of all, we'll draw the line. This is A, this is one part B, this is C, and this is D. 3 parts, and these points are 4 and minus 1, and this is minus 2 and 3. This is 3 parts. This is 1, 1, 1. So first we'll take AB ratio BD. It will be 1 ratio 2. So we will using section formula. You know all of them. What the section formula is? M into x2, right? N into x1, absolutely right. M plus 1. Then m into y2 plus n into y1 upon m plus n. So we will do this. 1 into minus 2 plus, this will be the coordinate of B. 1 into minus 2 plus 2 into 4 by 1 plus 2, comma 1 into minus 3 plus 2 into minus 1 upon 1 plus 2. This is minus 2 plus 8 by 3, comma minus 3 minus 2 by 3. So the coordinate of B will be bxy will be equal to, this will be 2, and the another point will be minus 5 by 3. Now we will again draw the line. B we have find 2 and minus 3. C we are not aware of. D is given to us. What was D? D was minus 2 minus 3. So this is now again 1 ratio 1. Therefore C is midpoint of BD. Formula for midpoint is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So this will be 2 minus 2 by 2 and minus 5 by 3 minus 3 by 2. This will be 0, comma, this will be the points of C. 0, 3 is the LCM, minus 5 minus 9 into 2, 0, comma, minus 14 by 3 into 2, 7. So the coordinate will be, C coordinate will be CXY is equal to 0 and minus 7 by 2. So we have the coordinate of A and B. And if it is divided into 4 parts, then you will use the midpoint. Now the important question, again, very important question. If 4 points are given in order and these are the vertices of parallelogram. Order means this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. Find the value of x and y. So it will be very easy to find if we think, because we know the parallelogram means opposite sides are equal. So most of us will try the opposite sides are equal, and I assure you that if you keep on trying, the possibility of getting the right answer in limited time is very less, right? So you have to think. This is a parallelogram. What happened in a parallelogram? In parallelogram, the diagonals bisect each other. Therefore O is midpoint of AC. Therefore 1 plus x by 2, comma 2 plus 6 by 2. So it will be 1 plus x by 2 and 4. these are the coordinate of when this is the midpoint of this. Now O is also midpoint of BD. So BD will be 4 plus 3 by 2 comma 5 plus y by 2. This is 7 by 2 and 5 plus y by 2. This is again the coordinate of O. So both the coordinate of, we have used here midpoint formula. Midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So now these both will be equal to each other. So according to the question or the condition, 1 plus x by 2 will be equal to 7 by 2, comma 5 plus y by 2 is equal to 4. So 1 plus x is equal to 7, x is equal to 6, 5 plus 4 is equal to 8, y is equal to 3. So these are the answers. 6, x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 3. So you have to make sure whenever you are supposed to find the coordinate of this, then you have to use the midpoint form.